Okay everyone, I'm gonna teach you how you make a catapult out of this one. This one is just a bottle cap and a ice cream stick together. It's just that I didn't want to waste the time doing it in this video. So first, you leave one out and then you tie all of these sticks together with 2 rubber bands. You only tie up one side first, and then you put one ice cream stick inside the layer there, like so. It's like this, and you open this a little bit and slide it in like that, and then you just rubber band the other side. Once you've done that, the other one, you tilt this open a little bit, and then you try to squeeze this in. Yep, and I've done that now. And then you simply rubber band these two together, not too tight though. Okay, so now my catapult is done. So you can put anything, like for in my case, the cat from this musical, it's for mosquito repellent, and right now you can just put it in the thing, and then you can see that you can launch it. Oh yep, it landed somewhere. And now that's all for today.